Good morning, students. So, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. So, in the first video, or we can see in the previous video, I have already discussed what is math and what is its classification. So, this is the second part which deals with the other half of the chapter maths. So, let's start the video. So in this video we are going to study about the different components of maths. So there are mainly three components of maths which are very important. Number one is distance, second one is direction, third one is symbol. First one, distance. So distance, what maths, as we already have studied in the previous video, that maps are drawings which reduce the entire wall or a part of it on a sheet of paper. In order to reduce the actual ground distance, we have to use some scales. So scales are used in order to reduce the distance between the places. Scales is the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map. So there are two types of scale. Number one is a small scale and a large scale. A small scale map is one in which given part of the earth is represented by a small area on the map. That means small scale maps basically they are used in order to show continents or countries. The next one is large scale map. Large scale map are used to show small area like village, towns, site, etc. So large scale map shows more detail than small scale map. In this slide you can able to see the picture of a small scale map and a large scale map of Mexico. Right side is the large scale map which shows Mexico City, and on the left side is the small scale map which shows Mexico. Next is direction. So direction is the second most important component of map. So most maps contain an arrow mark. If you have noticed any kind of map, you can see an arrow marked with the letter N at the upper right hand corner. Beside that, there are four major directions: north, south, east and west. They are altogether called as cardinal points. Other four intermediate directions are northeast, southeast, southwest and north-south. So the direction can easily be found out with the help of a compass. Compass is an instrument used to find out main directions. Its magnetic needle, you can see in the diagram, its magnetic needle always points towards north-south direction. The last important component of map is symbol. So symbol, as we know, it is not possible to draw the actual shape and size of different features such as buildings, roads, railway lines, etc. So they are shown by using certain symbols such as letters, shapes, colors, pictures and lines. Besides that, maps have a universal language that can be understood by all. There is even international agreement regarding the use of these symbols. So these symbols are called as conventional symbols. So in this slide you can able to see various conventional signs and symbols which you can find in the maps. Hope you have understood about the different components of maps. Thank you.